believe. You hear a lot of people say it, but what does it really mean?
Believe in yourself, you can go out and do things to the maximum of your ability and you can go and affect the game.
To have confidence in the truth.
When things are bad, if you believe in yourself, you can turn it around. So
The existence or the reliability.
Believing in your own ability, believing in the players around you, and believing that you can all achieve the same goal.
Of something you cannot prove.
We know every game we go into we can win, and we enjoy playing together.
Because doubt kills more dreams.
Gives you the best opportunity to perform to your ability
Than failure ever could.
You go into games confident. You just got lots of belief in yourself.
And with ability brings opportunity.
When you go into the games believing that you're going to succeed.
But belief is what gets you there.
Belief to a footballer is to have confidence in your own ability to go out there and show what you're made of.
And in order to succeed,
best feeling in the world when you score is just to get that extra confidence and to go again and try and score another goal.
we must all believe.
I believe. What do you believe in?